What is your reaction?
पळय रिएक्शन दिवपाचें ना दिवपाचें म्हजेर आहा. पत्रकार रिएक्शन दिवन तुका खबर आहा. सो ना दिवप हें बरें दिसता म्हाका सद्याच्या परिस्थितींत. जेन्ना दिवपाक जाय तेन्ना हांव दितलो.
मात खरें तें पत्रकारांक लागून जाला काय दिसता तुमकां सर?
पत्रकार काम बरें करताले. कशें करप, कशें काडून घालप, कशें घेवप हें आमी शिकता आतां ह्या दिसांनी मातशें. सो आनी पत्रकाराचें काम पत्रकारान करप, आमचें काम करप.
You mean to say the media has quoted wrong in the wrong way?
You spoke in English, so I'll speak in English. What I said is what has happened is because good reporters brought out something which was considered as a reporting in a different way. Now this different way reporting will continue all the time. So it is better that we keep ourselves to reporting within ourselves.
Okay, one more thing. You have gone through this phase. If you go
I have not gone to this phase. Hello, hello.
As a minister,
I'm saying this is wrongly. Don't say I'm gone to this phase. I have not gone. I was asked by my party, called by my leaders, central leaders, requesting me to step down. When central leaders tell me to step down, I step down.
You have done it in a good way, Mr. So how do you see that phase in this?
What this is what phase? My face is always there. I'm facing now. I'm very happy. You can see me all shining. I work for my constituency. I'm on a grassroots. I'm on the ground. When I was a minister, I had a lot of other responsibilities which I had to take it, and sleepless nights I had to have. Today, the party has given me good rest, and I'm taking rest to bounce back again.
So being a minister is sleepless nights, and not being a minister is
No, see, it depends on who does it. See, म्हाका जेन्ना मिनिस्टराचें काम दिलें, हांव एक्सेसिबल सगळ्या गोंयचे जनतेक आशिल्लो. हें म्हाका कोणूच डिनाय करूंक शकना. तुमी डिनाय करता जाल्यार सांगचें. हांव जर सपोज जर कोणाचो फोन घेवना जाल्यार हांव डायरेक्ट तांकां फोन मागीर करतालो. केन्ना इतलें जातालें लोड जातालो, कित्याक इतलो लोड जाता की आय एम ऑल्सो ह्युमन बींग. पूण जेन्ना म्हाका गोंयचे जनतेन जेन्ना फोन केलो आनी हांवें बिंदास तुमचे मार्फत म्हजो नंबर दिलो आनी हें कोण हालोवंक शकना. सो इफ आय कॅन गीव माय नंबर एंड इफ आय कॅन पिक अप द फोन आनी हांव सद्दां कन्सिडर करता म्हजें गोंय म्हणून. सो हांव काम करता. आतां हितून भितर म्हाका ताका आनी हेका ताका कित्याक कंपेर करता तुमी? म्हजें कंपेरिजन करप तुमी पत्रकारान करपच न्ही, तें सांगता तुका. आस्किंग कितें म्हजे बद्दल विचार मरे. म्हज्या बद्दल म्हज्या कामा बद्दल विचार. हांव सांगता तुमकां कितें विचार.
After dropping from the ministry, your constituency work is getting completed. So,
See, whether it is getting completed or not getting completed, it is a secondary phase. You are all aware of what is happening in Kuchare. I invite you all to come to Kuchare. We will show you what is completed, what is yet to be completed, what is going to be completed, what will be completed. All these phases, you come to my constituency, I will show you everything.
तर तुमकां सभापती करता म्हणून कानार पडटा कितें तुमकां सांगला?
सभापती, राजपती, चीफ मिनिस्टर, गोंयचो मिनिस्टर, हे सगळे पती आसा पळय ते सुसेगाद बोडसान पती धरपाच्यो. आमचें कितें आसा पळय काम करपाचें. आमी जनतेचे मनीस. आमकां लोकांनी आमदार करतले आनी लोक आमकां घरा धाडटले आमदार नाका काम करना जाल्यार. हें लोकांचें राज्य. आमचें राज ना बाबा. आमचें राज्य काम करपाचें लोकां खातीर आनी आमी काम करीत रावतले. आतां विशय जेन्ना तुमी सभापती आनी हो पती आनी तो पती म्हणटा पळय तें पळय हांव डिसायड करूं शकना. जेंका कोणाक डिसायड करपाचें तेंकां करूं. तुमी सांगलें पळय तुमी डिसायड करूं शकना. सो तेजेर उलोवन कितें फायदो? सो आमी उलयत रावपाचें. ज्या वेळेस सांगलें पयलीं स्टार्टींग पॉयंट म्हजो आशिल्लो पळय सांगला पळय तोच पॉयंट तेजेर फोकस केल्या.
but if they will give, you will accept it, sir?
I am telling you no. Whoever wants to give, I will decide at the right time. Now nobody asks me also and nobody wants to give me also. Why should I tell you what? Unless you are going to give me something. You want me to take me for as a reporter with you, then I'll come with you because these days I'm a little free. So you can take me wherever you're going for reporting, I'll come.
Thank you, sir.